called you people because I want us to plan something. Something happened here this morning and our lives are in danger.
Yeah?
Yes. Somebody in this compound threatened to kill all of us. And more especially, he said he will start from people that are living at the boys' quarter.
What should be like? Say we do waiting.
He said that all of us are giving him headache in this house, and for that very reason, he's going to turn everybody to goats.
Why? Let us care.
I cannot sit in my house and watch the enemy turn me to a goat. How can that native doctor there be making mouth, boasting, telling people that he will turn me to goat? He's landlord. That means if he finally succeed, he will turn you to Hausa goat. You will become Umarapa goat. They become Obana goat.
I know.
When I was a landlord goat. No.
This can never happen with a landlord.
Over my dead body, it will not happen. That is the reason I called all of you. I knock at other doors. It's like every of them has gone out. But since you people are still around, I want us to plan something. Come closer. Come closer.
Doctor. Doctor, Biko, please, I want to confirm something.
Where swagger holidays in anywhere?
Who did I baptize? Oh my God. Doc, please, I'm very sorry. It's not intentional. It was a mistake, please. It will never repeat itself again. It's ordinary water. Biko, forgive me. Sorry, sir. No. What happened? Huh? Come on. Wait. Come on, do this kind of thing. What? Okay, no, come stay here. What happened? This our landlord wicked very well. No be mistake.
Over wicked.
No be. Make I tell you the last one.
I hear the time when they say na mistake. He say he go pour you acid if you no come out. I just advise you, if you enter your house, pack your things, come out for this compound.
Overnight packing, sharp.
Wallahi, see, Oga Chief Native Doctor. See, wallahi, make I tell you something. If to say na me na you, wallahi, I go just go pack all my kaya, pack everything, pack, go. See, no be lie, wo. You see, Oga Landlord don't talk say he go call police for you. He say he go call soldier. He go call volunteer people. They will come carry you. They will finish you.
Acid. After they don't pour acid, finish.
Wallahi.
Acid, they put them.
I know my dead way.
No, they come up for that.
I know my just saw.
Go.
Yeah? See, wallahi, Oga Chief Doctor. Wallahi, my baby here. But to back come out. I don't talk of finish.
Minor.
No. Wallahi, man, no deal. Now, no go.
You know they go.
Nigeria jaga. Everything scatter, okay. The woman me suffer. Usha. Why ya Allah? Nigeria jaga. Nigeria jaga.
If you touch that thing, I would behead you. Just touch it now, I will cut you into pieces. If your father born you well, enter, let me see. If they burn you well, enter this compound. I am the landlord of this compound. And before you people packed in here, I gave you my terms and terminology. And today, I stand here to terminate that terminology that I gave to you and your stupid family. This house belongs to me. And I determine who goes in and who comes out. So please, if you know where you're coming from, go back there. You're no longer going to live in this house anymore.
Landlord, allow me to go inside now.
Mom,
please.
You still have legs to dance. Igbo again. Ijele Africa. You still have legs to dance. And you should understand that all go back to wherever you are coming from. You will not enter this compound again. I cannot live in my house and somebody will be tormenting me. This is my house and not a native doctor's shrine. So please, you and your father should go and look for forest where you can establish your whatever.
Landlord, I am hungry now.
Better.
Please, I want to go and eat.
Better. I go to Ibido. You never start the hungry. You go hungry until you die. In fact, onye nwule werele ulo ya. Onye nwule werele ulo ya. Onye nwule werele ihe ya. Onye siwa agogo ya la anya na gate. Okwu agbala. Akụkọ.
Landlord, allow me to go inside now.
You will never, ever into your life come into my house. I send you to house. You will know how to come to the house. Enter the house. Oh, enter the house. You don't know. Oh, there's no problem, sir. You know what happened? Hey! War! Gunshot that I heard today, I have never heard it in my entire life. Gunshot from the east, from the west, north and south, even from beyond the earth. Sir, what is going on? All the neighbors, even the people that are squatting with them, all of them have people to stay with. Remaining your son. I said, wow, my tenant is not around, and the only small boy that doesn't even, he hardly talk. Who will speak for him? I said, no, let me stand here and speak for him while you come. There's no problem. Now, weren't we playing? Baba, oh yo, Daddy, oh yo. You're welcome. I will open the door for both of you to pass. What? Daddy, Nna Baba Liki Baba Oh Liki Baba Woo
Landlord ofe akụ onye jide ihe nwata gbenye aka enu aka fụba ya ụfụ ya ewetuo ya ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozu ala n'ili maka na ọkpọkọ ugbo bụ ntị chiri ya.
Oga landlord. Wait. La me adameni.
It's going to be this one. Why I can't cut Moral? Moral, why you can't cut? What kind of be this one for my house? Which kind of problem be this one?
You be like say you never jam that pastor. If you jam that pastor, you don't jam am for our village market where they do crusade. If you jam that, now because they in the live for our company, we call it neglect am. We don't know in what again. Yeah? You don't jam this pastor where they do crusade. You don't jam am for market where they do crusade. No try this man, no. You dey they talk about which no compare. You dey compare God. You won't compare God with gods. If God do you something, if God bring out in time, say now you. If he do you something, you go respect him. Talk more of our this our pastor. We dey under the courtship of God. Come on. I tell you, this man, if they do crusade, if you jam where they do crusade, Holy Ghost they take over. It dey be like thunder, like they talk am. It dey be like thunder. No try am o. We use God the comparative doctor.
Wallahi na native doctor na then get power. Yeah? Na then they do everything. Not try am, not try this native doctor. Woman rapper. Wallahi, if your pastor try this native doctor, he go turn into sheep. He go turn into rago. Wallahi, what a sheep?
What's be rago? What's the rago?
Nine be sheep now.
Sheep. If you turn into sheep, we chop am. If not the other sheep, wait. You wait the talk say you go turn into which kind sheep? No be in fellowship. If fellow native doctor they do magic, turn something to aeroplane, turn into private jet. Now you come follow us. They live for this compound. Yeah. Well, that idiot, you know if you turn this nonsense compound to do place. Now sheep. Which kind sheep? Yeah. Now today we dey see sheep. If na me be that native doctor, I go turn this place. I go turn am to aeroplane. Now you follow us. Come they live for this place. You dey turn person to.
So it is now you. When an ant of trespass in a jungle without thinking about the lion, definitely the lion will crush him. Osisi na-eto na n'ịgba ya mmiri ọ bụrụ nke onye nwaanyị mana o torute n'izere anwụ ọ bụrụ nke onye ọbụla. Woman rapper, I will use you for an example in this compound.
Na me and am dey talk. Na me and am.
You want to try my God?
Na me and am. If say you go turn you to sheep, na me and am dey talk this thing. How we take start this discussion? How we take start this? No be you don't say you go turn am to sheep or na content. Hey, which kind thing be this one? You don't do like say you don't talk anything, abi?
Luana, my heart I know there. Thank God say I tell him.
Hey,
thank God say I tell him. Now you don't see what? This one, see, let I tell you. You see this one? Now just small. By the time this woman don't dealing with me, wallahi, now you will pack your kaya, disappear.
Hey. You have big eyes. Oh boy. Where's the money? Let me go up. Money for hand.
Landlord, that's room. Well done, sir.
Madam Landlady. Good afternoon.
Posh! I've been awaiting that they call you.
Posh?
What you they do with my husband?
Your husband? No! I wasn't doing anything with him. He was just asking me after the neighbor bill, asking me if I paid last year's bill. I said yes. In fact, I paid double. I paid last month, I paid this month. I'm actually going to pay for a year. That's why he was just asking me.
Hey! Enough! I don't see everything. I see him! I want to tell you, make you stay away from my husband. Boss, you stay away from my I go set up for you. Don't use my husband play. No use my husband play. I'm not like him. Stay away from my husband. I don't know. Stay away from my husband. If I take that for you, you go run naked and come out for this compound.
I don't know your husband again.
Make I tell you. First, look me well. From head to toe. I look like God for you. No. I look like God for your eye. No, ma. Make I tell you, make I warn you. Whichever one you want, take a mass. You see this work where they walk? You see this work where they do so? I don't do a finish dropper. I don't do it for years. Dropper, carry husband, marry. No play with my husband. No try am. I go change up for you. Not you be fine there. Not you be fine there. All these small boys where they don't do for you. They don't do for you. Stay away from my husband, though. Stay away from my husband. Stay away from my husband. Sorry, ma. What is your nonsense? Make I shock you. I should shock you, eh? I don't do. I don't do. I'll back out.
See, that's the way they find for this yard. You go soon get her. No go marry. Carry this thing, they deceive people house back. You know sabi how to fetch water again. Now to do it like this, Use this thing, they deceive them. You know say the time don't reach to marry. See, that's the way they fight for this compound. You go soon get her. No, go marry. Idiot.
See problem for this compound.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.